Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this smart speaker that actually has something special in it as well. Not just a speaker, let's just say that. It's a lot smaller than I had expected it would be. It's basically a clock as well as a speaker, and if you notice, there's something right there that is what is the little secret. So it's also a hidden camera. Super excited about this. It's pretty simple, just got, you know, a few knobs on the front and over there on the back where you can plug it in, so on and so forth. Here we have the instruction manual as well as the cables. First and foremost, you want to go ahead and download the app and then scan your QR code. Next, we're going to set up the camera and then add your device, which is basically going to be your phone or something, wherever you want to receive the alerts. Ultimately, what's going to happen is we're going to be able to view something like this. All right, and then it's going to go ahead and bring you to the app. Let's go ahead and get the app. After all that, we're going to go ahead and add the device. Just connected everything to Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's viewing, so you can kind of stream, but it won't necessarily take photos per se or, you know, record. There's a limitation if you don't have an SD card, basically. A micro SD card with 128 gigabytes, which does not come with it. On here, there's actually two places of SD. One is for the camera, and then one down here is for the speaker. So you can actually plug in an SD card for the speaker as well and have it just playing on automatic instead of connecting it via Bluetooth. One thing actually I did forget to mention, this is actually the off and on button. Now to connect to Bluetooth, hold the play button for just like a couple seconds. That will allow this Bluetooth to be found.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So it just said the Bluetooth device is ready to be paired. Get on a phone, pair it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so successful pair. So let's go ahead and play some music. Boom! All right, so to turn the volume up, you can long press one side. Ooh. Okay, it's got some good volume for how small it is. Let's turn it down. And if I want to stop it, I can just go ahead and press the middle button. All right, so in order to change the time on the clock, you basically just do it via the app. All in all, I would say pretty decent. A little 3-in-1 device. So if you would like to purchase this spy hidden camera, you can go ahead and check out the link below. And if you like product unboxing and unopenings, make sure to subscribe, like, let me know in the comments, what do you think about this? Is this something that you would use in your own house? Why or why not? Let me know what you think about this. Purchase it, check out the links below. It's available on Amazon. That's all I have for you for today, so I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.